Mae lesbian pop culture yn y mainstream.
O'r diwedd.
A ni moyn siarad amdano fe.
A pop culture yn gyffredinol.
Ydyn, trwy sbectol bach queer ni.
Fi yw Cat Morris.
Fi yw Catrin Herbert.
A chroeso i
Pob Look Babe! Just rhybydd bach i chi ar y dechrau. Mae yna siawns fydd yna falle tymed bach o iaith gref yn y podlediad yma. Siwr o fod achos o Cat Morris.
Sos. Helo.
Helo, os chi'n meddwl bod y sain yn sôn yn wahanol, guess be, mae cysni yng nghanol Llyn.
Llyn, massive Llyn. O, fe'n huge.
Mae fe'n huge, Llyn Luzern.
Llyn Luzern.
Achos, guess be, mae Pob Look Babe on to.
Mae ni ar to.
Ni on to,
Fi
babe.
wedi cyrraedd y Swister sydd yn gorgeous. Os chi wedi gweld, fi'n mynd i bach o pan nawr. Panorama.
Oh, lovely.
Stunning. Fi'n siŵr bod yr angl yna'n lovely.
Fi'n siŵr bod fi ddim yn mynd i wneud hwnna, cos byddai'n ffoc fel lan.
Na.
Ond,
So
dyma ni.
pryd ys ti gyrraedd yma?
Nathon ni gyrraedd yma ddoe, dydd Gwener, ond mae'n teimlo fel ages yn ôl.
Mae diwrnod fan yn teimlo fel, achos chi'n neud yn gymaint yma, fi'n meddwl.
Ti eisiau roi'r cyd-destun? Ti eisiau dweud beth sy'n ymlaen right now?
Y reswm dyn ni wedi dod ar daith yw, os chi heb gaso, a chi definitely ddim yn gallu gaso os chi'n clywed ni a ddim yn gweld ni, dyn ni'n gwisgo crysau Cymru.
Ia, a mae Rach a Sam tu ôl i ni. Dwi'n gwybod mae hwnna'n helpu am gwbl i weld nhw. Ond Rach a Sam tu ôl i ni, cos ni mewn bedalo.
Ni mewn pedalo ar Llyn Luzern.
Ydyn.
Ni yma ar gyfer o'r diwedd.
Y Ewros!
Mae Cymru bach ni yn chwarae hen o'r gêm gyntaf erioed yn erbyn y Netherlands.
Ia.
A, sorry, mae ti wedi gweld bus nhw?
Ie, mae'n really cool.
Mae dyn nhw llew ar top y bus fel inflatable. Sorry, mae Titanic just yn y cefn fan hyn.
Ie, mae hwnna'n golygu bod probably rhywun bron mewn pedalo, bron yn mynd mewn i storm massive.
Yeah, turn us around, girls, turn us
And
around.
there's only one person who's going to win in that battle.
Na, ni yn y pink pedalo.
Oh ie, mae pawb arall mewn pedalo glas, ni mewn pedalo pink.
Nes i request fe'n benodol, obviously.
Yeah.
Sut ti teimlo dan am heno, Caws gwch chi, Catys? Herbs, Catrin.
Catrin, ie, buzzing. Fi'n buzzing. Fi'n like, obviously fi'n ennill, ond realistically, fi'n pacs o beth sy'n digwydd.
Na.
Oh, mae'n a motorboat.
Oh, we're going to have a crash.
Mae'n gorgeous.
The waves are going to start going in a minute.
Fi'n gwybod os chi'n gwrando a ddim yn gallu gweld hwnna ar y fideo. Mae'n stunning.
Mae fe mor neis.
Crazy nice.
Oh, bear with i'r motorboat wyn heibio.
Yeah.
There we go. There she goes.
O na, mae'n lyflu. Mae'n lyflu. Sut ti'n teimlo?
Fi'n really excited, achos fi wedi bod yn gweithio yma am 5 diwrnod.
Yeah.
So hwn yw diwrnod gyntaf fi off gwaith yma. A ti'n be, o'na heatwave pan nath ni gyrraedd yma. Oedd e fel 33, 34, a mas yn ffilmio yn hwn, it was brutal. Ond heddi mae'n teimlo, mae dal yn dwym,
Yeah.
but it's manageable, mae'n breeze bach neis.
Mae'n actually gorgeous.
Fi'n really excited i fod, fi ddim yn ei gemau yn amlwg, ond fi byth di bod ar fan walk neu fan o fel away tour kind of thing. Fel fan.
Yeah, so nes ymlaen heddi, cyn y gêm, mae'r fan zone yn fan hyn yn Luzern, a mae pawb yn mynd i gerdded o'r fan zone yn ein hetiau buced.
Yeah.
Newydd.
Wel, o'n i fod casglu un, ond fel nhw wedi redeg mas. I'll dim un ar ôl i fi.
Oh.
I know.
Falle bydd un yn fel...
Rhwla, surely. Falle
Ie,
bydd roi'n
bydd yn
mas, ys mlaen, ie.
Dwi'n poeni bod fi'n mynd i golli ar y gwynt ar y llyn yma. Ond, os fi'n gwisgo fe right now, looking very dashing, fi'n meddwl.
Right.
Yeah, thanks so much. Ond ie, y fan walk yma, fi'n meddwl mae'n mynd i fod fel Pride.
Ydy.
Fi'n meddwl mae'n mynd i fod fel Pride.
Ydy.
O'n i'n mynd i ddweud, ond bach mwy straight. Hardly, yes, but what's all
sorry.
lesbians?
A hefyd, chi wedi gweld ar Instagram, gayest team ar Euros.
I love that.
Love that. Da iawn ni.
Frankly, ni di ennill yn barod.
Ydyn. Be'r gen yn... Oh, that was an Annie Glass.
Annie
Ni
Glass,
wedi ennill yn barod.
Yeah, 2016.
2016. Ond, ydyn ni gan adwaith nawr.
Aros am y chwiban.
Aros am y chwiban. That's a banger.
A un yr ers.
A un ers. Ymlaen.
Gyda Eden, Alicia Scott a Rose Data.
Wedi sgwennu gan CPJ.
Of course.
A
A mae un yr FEW hefyd.
Liz. Ond wedi sgwennu gan Amy Ward.
Honestly, bangers.
Banger. Nath Liz
Bangers.
perfformio fe neithiwr yn y fans. Nes di yn byd y fans yn ddoi?
Do, ond rhaid ni fynd nôl i check him out, so nath ni miso performance, and I'm really gutted. Ond oedd e'n hwyl. A, nath ni weld Sophie Engel.
Do fe?
Nathon ni weld bunch o chwaraewyr.
O,
Nathon ni weld Gemma Evans. A nathon ni weld favourite fi. Right, choose my favourite.
Ffion Morgan. We all know why she's your favourite, Herbs.
Because she's really good
At football.
And she is. That's not she's sarcastic. She's very good at football.
Pan oedd rhaid fi llenwi mewn survey gael free bucket hat that I never got. A y cwestiwn oedd pwy yw hoff player ti.
Yeah.
A ni fel, well, hi yw hoff player fi, ond ddim necessarily because of the football.
Wel, nes I rhoi fishlog, just achos, fi di wedi ti fun fact fi am, o do. So mae gen ni, I don't know os ni wedi gweud ar y pod o'r blaen, ond
Na.
fun fact fishlog ni.
Yeah.
That could be a whole segment.
We're fishlock and we're in a lake. Wow.
Oh, wow, fantastic. Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah. So, fun fact ti yw, mae just fishlog di prynu paint I ti. That's cool.
No, that's not my fact. She hasn't brought me a pint.
Oh my gosh, fi di mix...
Pwy? Fi?
Lois nath dweud hwnna to fi. Lois y gwaith.
Yeah, dim fi oedd
Ti'n
hwnna.
gwybod hynna?
Ma da fi, oh no, a couple of weithiau, a ma da fi fun fact amdani hi, but it's nothing to do with pints. Fun fact hi, and it's part of y thing o fod ma, yw,
Yeah.
oedd nath i chwarae gêm rhyngwladol gyntaf hi yn 16 oed yn erbyn y Swister.
No way!
Isn't this crazy? A,
Oh, cool.
nag oes na rumour, ta falle, hwn yw tournament rhyngwladol olaf
So
fi.
nothing with anyone in sunny, ond eto, she's kind of like, she just keeps going and going and
She
going.
does, no one can stop her.
So, ysyn ni ddim yn synnu os ydi ddim.
Na.
Ond I think mae pawb yn disgwyl.
Oh god, bach o turbulence.
Sorry. Oh, full moment. Sorry, nes I mix y slang gyda Lois y gwaith. Cos oedd hi
Yeah.
dweud yn yr Qatar, yn y World Cup, oedd just fishes
Oh, no
busy.
way.
And cos y ti yna,
Yeah.
I mixed up the stories.
True.
Ti eisiau gwybod fun fact fishlock fi?
Yeah.
Fun fact fishlock fi yw, mae Jess Fishlock wedi gwylio fi yn sgorio gol.
No
And that's-
way.
that's
She's
quite-
bit
on
in Titu's tap.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
On
class.
paper, well, that doesn't cool fact.
That is pretty cool. Nes i actually faint o weithio ti'n sgorio gol gyda nhw, gyda Titu's tap?
Oh, a few times.
Oh,
Oedd hi'n
did
neud iaith ar daith gyda Catrin Heledd.
yeah.
A nath nhw wneud fel rhan o'r thing, nath hi hyfforddi ni am session.
Oh my god, class.
Jess.
Pryd oedd hwn?
Oh,
Oh, dwi ddim
half
di-
diwetha.
Ydy di dod mas
Do, do, do.
then?
Do,
Okay,
do,
fi angen
do.
gwylio hwnna.
Half
fair
diwetha.
dues.
O'n i newydd cwrdd y reit, actually. So, yeah, ti a bron blwyddyn yn
Not away hefyd, i fel, you know.
I know.
export
So,
goals
hwnna yw,
and
so mae gen i Becca Gatra, cos bys fi ddim yn meiddio Torfria.
Yeah.
Wedi sôn o gan Jess Fish.
Oh, lush.
Ti eisiau gwybod gêm hwyl nes i ddechrau ddoe?
Absolutely.
Wel, fi meddwl mae'n hwyl. Mae'n mwy obvious nawr, ond yn y siwrne, so pan o'n i'n hedfan, pan o'n i'n y maes awyr,
Yeah.
pan o'n i'n glanio yn y maes
Yeah.
awyr, teith o draw o Zurich. New fun game, I started a race. She took a minute, but then she got on board. I think she was just tired. It's all now. Anyone who looked vaguely like a lesbian, I went, oh, she's going to the Euros.
Yeah, oh my god, dylwn ni chwarae hwnna heddi.
Yeah, although
100%.
a bit more obvious because everyone's
Well,
going...
Ar y pont
You're here.
draw, yn cerdded draw, me and
Yeah.
Sam did notice, oedd rhywun yn cael llun gyda LGBTQ flag Cymru.
Stunning.
Go on girl. Ac oedd y
Oh,
meddwl yn
iawn, ie.
cymryd y llun yn gwisgo top Ffion Morgan. 100% gotta be gay.
Well, yeah, but then again, it could be almost any player because they're all gay.
Not all of them.
Oh,
The players.
bron
But we are
iawn.
bron, achos we are the
Bron
gayest
iawn.
team, guys. Hefyd, o'n i'n gwybod yn amlwg mae Rhian o Gymru, like, as in her family's from Gymru.
Yeah,
I did not know oedd hi o'r Bont Fain.
No way!
Yeah. Mae hi o'r un lle fi, ath i'r ysgol lawr y ffordd o fi. Well, I suppose it's the only English
Yeah.
primary school, so that makes sense. A nath nhw'n wneud cyfweliad efo hi yn y Physic Gardens. Lovely little spot yn y Bont Fain yna.
So, oedd hi wedi symud i Canada wedyn?
Na, oedd hi yn Canada, a wedyn nath nhw ddod i'r Bont Fain am flwyddyn i weld os ydyn nhw moyn fel, if it was a vibe. And they swiftly went back to
I know.
Canada.
Hilarious.
Yeah, they were like, get us back on that boat. Yeah, so hwnna'n fun. Sam, Rach, got
Checking
anything
in.
to say? We talk about you for the last 6 or so months, 7 months. Now you're here, peddling us around on the lake. Go on, Sam.
I don't think I have anything to say.
Oh.
I'm
Let's-
exhausted.
I'm going to ask a question.
Yeah,
Right.
let's ask them some questions.
I've got a
then.
question. Right. So, Sam, you and Kat have just celebrated your first anniversary.
Yeah.
How has the last year been for you? How would you sum it up?
Quick. Right? No, honest to God, it's gone so quickly.
Yeah.
Thank God she didn't say slow.
It's a
drag. It's drag. No, it's gone so quickly, but not to sound gay, but I think
God forbid.
You're safe here.
it feels really like like just how to say, like just meant to be, like sort of really quickly, but we settled really, obviously like U-Haul lesbians, but
Oh
we
my
did.
God, yeah.
Okay, right. Your first year anniversary is coming up.
Creeping up wythnos nesaf, next
Oh, is it next week? No way. And so you're going to be
Friday
here?
the 18th.
Oh, it's
So
just
no,
if you
we'll
come
just
back.
have
But will it be the
met
final?
I don't want to give any spoilers, but might be one or two things planned before we leave.
Oh, wait, and as in what kind of one or two things planned? Like proposal?
Well, look, I just think mark the occasion 2 days early, just before we leave.
Yeah, but as in, you know, when you say you've got things planned.
You don't know, so I'm not saying any more.
Oh, no, but as in, you're not going to pop the question. Are you?
No.
Oh, okay.
Spoiler alert.
You haven't moved in yet, though.
No, we haven't moved in
Have
yet.
you, Rach?
No, we let me in first.
Yeah.
How do you feel the last year with Herbs has gone?
Same. I can't believe it's been a year, really. But yeah, it's been a laugh a minute.
Sarcasm in your voice.
At her or with her?
Her laughing at me.
I would never.
Yeah, no, it's been a great time.
Yeah. Well, mae'n really nice I gallu cyflwyno girlfriends ni'r podcast or do it because we've been speaking about them for the last 7 months.
I know.
I'm speaking about them in Welsh, so maen nhw ddim yn gwybod i dweud.
Mae Rach wedi bod yn gwrando a fel... Rach, you actually have been listening to the pod, haven't you? And trying to pick out... Because it's Wenglish, really, I suppose.
Yeah.
So...
Our official language.
Yeah, and she's like, did you say... Yeah. It's like, did you say something about... I'm like, no.
It's another Rach.
I would never.
Fi'n meddwl dylsyn ni rhoi break bach i'r ddwy yma.
Yeah, fi fed.
A cael go on y pedalo. So dyma ni, anyway, mas na Swister.
Yeah.
Falle nawn ni drio recordio un arall cyn y gêm nesaf neu ar ôl y gêm nesaf.
Oh, gallwn ni drio, quick little check-in. Gallwn ni need little face, Instagram live.
Mid-live. That's a good idea.
Right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Well, anyway, eventually, my editor hwn, ond frankly, fi ar gwyliau, so...
You get it when you get it, guys.
It's on na, gobeithio cyn bo hir.
Yeah. Come on, Cymru.
Come on, Cymru! Ta-da!